In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a seller on Temu. Now, right now, if you head over to temu.com, in the top right corner, there will be a Join Now button if you want to become a seller, or you can just Google Temu Become Seller and find this page right here. Once you're inside of here, what you need to do is you need to sign up for your account. Once you've done that, you want to just complete your application, which is some questions that you want to answer. And after that, they're going to review it and check if you're eligible. Make sure you choose the correct region or country up here. And once you come down here, it will show you that you need to provide your seller information, which will be your name, address, and stuff like this. And these are the documents that you need. So if you're an individual, you need these documents. If you're a business, you need these documents. Once you have provided these, you should get an answer within 24 hours, as they claim they have a 1-day receive application results. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, it's pretty easy and pretty simple, so I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.